Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for customer service. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you're just starting out or already using it, this guide will help you better manage your customers and improve your overall service operations. First, open your browser and go to your HubSpot portal. Once you're logged in, look for the trial guide or dashboard area. This is where you'll find access to all the service related tools, so it's important to start here. Now inside the portal, find and click on the service section. This is the main area where all customer support tools are located. After that, go to customer success. This section helps you build strong relationships with your customers and track how satisfied they are with your service. It's very useful for improving retention and understanding customer needs. Next, click on the Customers tab. Here, you will see a full list of your customers along with their activity, interactions, and history. This helps you analyze communication patterns and identify where your support team is doing well and where improvements are needed. After that, move to the Projects tab. This section allows you to manage the services you offer. You can monitor which services are popular, track performance, and make adjustments to improve efficiency. It basically works as the control center for your service operations. Now head over to the Revenue section. This part shows you how your customer service efforts are impacting your business financially. You can track performance, identify what's working, and make better decisions to increase your revenue. Finally, go to the Actions tab. This is where everything comes together. Based on the insights you've gathered, you can assign tasks, launch new strategies, and improve your workflow. It's where you actually take action and implement changes. That's it for today's video. By following these steps, you'll be able to use HubSpot more effectively and take your customer service to the next level. And that's it. This is how you can use HubSpot for customer service. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.